Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best workout gear is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make in your fitness journey, transforming your exercise sessions from mundane routines into empowering experiences that push your limits and celebrate your progress, ensuring that every movement is supported, comfortable, and efficient, ultimately helping you achieve your health and wellness goals with greater ease and enjoyment. Number 5. Sports Research Sweet Sweat Waist Trimmer, Core Series. Introducing the premium sweat-enhancing fitness band designed for both men and women. Experience enhanced results with its innovative design. Crafted from extra-thick neoprene, it offers superior heat insulation for a more intense workout. The grid inner lining ensures it stays in place without absorbing moisture. Its naturally flexible design contours to your body, providing a comfortable and secure fit. Move freely and focus on your exercise without any distractions. For optimal results, pair this trimmer with our Workout Enhancer Gel. Together, they create an unparalleled sweat experience. This trimmer is engineered for maximum comfort and effectiveness. Its design ensures it stays put, allowing you to push your limits. Find your perfect fit with our range of sizes, from S to XXL. Each size is designed to provide optimal coverage and support. What we like? This one offers superior heat insulation with its extra-thick neoprene construction. The grid inner lining prevents moisture absorption, minimizing slipping and bunching. If you're looking for maximum sweat and a secure fit during intense workouts, this is the choice for you. What people say? Super durable material, strong Velcro. Has a nice compression to it. The Velcro is the strongest I've ever had on a waistband. The Velcro seems sturdy and remains secure. AMD is super adjustable to account for weight fluctuation. Once I secured it, it provided excellent back support. Number 4. Sports Research Sweet Sweat Workout Enhancer Gel. Want to maximize your exercise and sweat faster? This workout enhancer is activated by your elevated heart rate to increase sweat and warm up muscles quicker. It makes your workouts feel more effective. Apply this gel before your workout to set the tone for every rep. As your body warms up, it activates, helping you feel your effort and see your progress. Pair this gel with our signature waist trimmer to turn your warm-up into a performance ritual. Together, they elevate every workout for proven results. Apply a thin layer to target zones before your workout and let your movement do the rest. As your body heats up, you'll see visible effort and measurable intensity. This enhancer fits every training style, from HIIT to cardio and sauna sessions. Wherever you move, it moves with you to track, feel, and prove your progress. What we like? This product is activated by your elevated heart rate to increase sweat and warm up muscles faster. It serves as a visual marker of your effort, showing your progress. If you want to feel your workout intensity and see tangible results, this gel is a great addition to your routine. What people say? It made my workouts more enjoyable from start to finish. The formula itself works really well. It's smooth and easy to apply, and it doesn't leave my skin sticky or greasy. It helps me stay warmed up and focused during my toughest sessions, and I definitely feel like it enhances my sweat and circulation without irritation. Plus, it didn't stain my workout clothes, which is a huge bonus. This product was extremely good work exactly as advertised and has enhanced my sweat when workout. I see a difference in my problem areas. This stuff definitely helps you sweat more. Just apply it to your target areas before exercising, and you'll notice a significant increase in perspiration. It's perfect for those looking to amp up their workout results. The gel is easy to apply and doesn't feel sticky or uncomfortable. It absorbs well, so you don't have to worry about it getting all over your workout gear. Number 3. RENRANRING 150 pounds Resistance Band Set. Unlock your full potential with our versatile resistance bands. Achieve your fitness goals whether you're a man or a woman. Customize your workout with 5 adjustable resistance levels, from 10 pounds to 50 pounds. You can stack them up to 150 pounds for an intense session. Experience a safe and effective workout with our high-quality rubber bands. They feature strong metal buckles and non-slip handles for enhanced durability and grip. Perfect for Pilates, yoga, boxing, and general fitness. These bands are ideal for strength training, stretching, and physical therapy to shape your body. Take your workout anywhere with this portable set. It includes a waterproof bag, making it easy to exercise at home, the gym, or while traveling. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: resistance bands, handles, ankle straps, a door anchor, and a massage ball for a complete workout experience. What we like. This set offers 5 adjustable resistance levels, allowing for progressive training up to 150 pounds. It comes with handles, ankle straps, and a portable storage bag for convenience. If you need a versatile, all-in-one solution for strength training at home or on the go, this is an excellent option. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, making it comfortable for long workouts. The fit is true to size and offers good support without being restrictive. The design is sleek and modern, perfect for both gym and casual wear. Number 2. Ankle resistance bands with cuffs. Introducing our premium ankle resistance bands, designed to elevate your leg and glute workouts. Experience comfortable and effective training with superior materials. Crafted with high-quality sponge for leg protection and natural latex for lasting elasticity. These bands ensure a comfortable workout, even with frequent use. Choose from 3 resistance levels: 10, 20, or 30 pounds. Whether you're a beginner or seeking high-intensity training, you can easily adjust the resistance to suit your needs. Perfect for a wide range of sports and exercises, including glute workouts, speed training, and jump training. These bands are your go-to equipment for versatile lower body conditioning. Achieve shapely glutes and strong legs with our versatile bands. Ideal for bodybuilding, fitness enthusiasts, runners, and athletes in sports like basketball, soccer, and tennis. Compact and portable, these bands come with a carrying bag for easy storage and transport. Continue your fitness journey at home, at the gym, or while traveling. What we like. Designed with comfortable sponge cuffs and durable natural latex, these bands are perfect for targeting legs and glutes. They offer 3 resistance levels suitable for beginners to advanced users. If your primary goal is to sculpt your lower body and enhance athletic performance, these ankle bands are ideal. What people say. The fabric is breathable and moisture-wicking, keeping me cool and dry during intense workouts. The design offers excellent support and freedom of movement, making it perfect for various exercises. The durability of the material is impressive. It has held up well after multiple washes and strenuous use. Number 1. Pilates Bar Kit with resistance bands. Want a perfect hip and an enviable figure? This professional kit allows you to achieve twice the result with half the effort. It offers targeted and challenging training approaches, making it your silent companion for a healthy lifestyle. With resistance bands and a detachable bar, it offers a full-body workout customizable to your fitness level. It's not just for glutes, it complements other home gym equipment for excellent results. Customize your workout with adjustable resistance bands. You can use them individually or combine them for up to 70 pounds of resistance. It helps improve flexibility and targets hips, arms, back, abdomen, and glutes. Enjoy a softer grip with non-slip foam pads that prevent slipping, even when you sweat. The secure assembly method avoids finger pinching, so you can focus on your workout without worry. This lightweight and portable kit is a great alternative to bulky dumbbells and large exercise equipment. It offers the same benefits as resistance bands and yoga sets, fitting perfectly into your daily routine. Featuring 360 degrees rotating metal lugs and solid iron connectors, it ensures smooth movement and eliminates tangled bands. Built for durability, it guarantees long-lasting performance. Designed for easy assembly and disassembly, it's convenient for trainers of all ages and can be used in 2 or 3 sections. It's perfect for the whole family to enjoy. What we like. This kit provides a full-body workout with adjustable resistance bands and a detachable Pilates bar. It's designed to replace bulky equipment, offering a portable and space-saving solution. If you want a versatile tool for home workouts that targets multiple muscle groups and fits easily into your lifestyle, this Pilates Bar Kit is perfect. What people say. It's great that I can do all of this from home. I did not need the instructions to put the bar together, it was very easy. I love this Pilates Bar Kit. It's lightweight, easy to assemble, and perfect for full-body workouts at home. The adjustable 3-section bar and resistance bands give me plenty of exercise options, especially for legs, glutes, and core. I've been using it for squats, lunges, and arm toning, and I can really feel the difference. The setup and how you can break it down for easy storage and travel is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.